This woman kept hearing strange noises coming from her roof, so she finally decided to investigate. When she got up there, she found a small hole in the wall with something moving inside. When she looked closer, she found a dog inside that seemed to be crying out for help. But she quickly realized the dog could leave but was choosing to stay and protect something. So she immediately called for help, and officers arrived with a camera to see what was hidden inside. Through the camera, they saw the truth. The mother dog was protecting her tiny puppies from harm. Officers quickly opened the roof to help, discovering not just one or two, but an entire litter of newborn puppies waiting to be saved.